A perfectly smooth, irresistibly glossy frosting packed with a depth of flavor that'll leave you craving for more. A no cream, no chocolate, dreamy frosting. So if you want to learn how to make it, then just keep watching. Start by taking a clean dry saucepan, to which we will add the coconut milk, along with the unsweetened cocoa powder and castor sugar. I suggest you avoid using the regular granulated sugar as it takes longer to melt. Give it a quick whisk to help dissolve the cocoa. Now place the pan over low heat and let the sugar dissolve gently. Keep stirring, ensuring to keep the bottom from burning. Once the sugar has dissolved, we will now add the rest of the ingredients. That is the butter, a dash of coffee powder for that extra depth of flavor, and just a pinch of salt to balance it all out. Continue stirring on a low heat. The key is to make sure you don't let the mixture boil. You'll know it's ready when the mixture starts to leave a visible drizzle from your spatula, and it doesn't look too runny. Once done, take the pan off the heat and add the vanilla essence. You can skip this if you like. Look at that silky smooth texture. Simply stunning. Once it has cooled slightly, we will pour the mixture into a clean, dry bowl. Give it a gentle tap to remove any air bubbles there might be. Finally, cover it with a cling wrap. Make sure to press the cling wrap so it touches the surface of the frosting. This prevents it from forming a skin on the surface while it cools in the fridge. I'd suggest for best results you should refrigerate it overnight, but 2 to 3 hours will do if you're in a hurry. Once you take it out of the fridge, give it a gentle stir to bring out that silky shine. And there you have it. Your luscious frosting is ready. It's smooth, silky, and perfectly glossy, with a rich texture that spreads like a dream. The shine and depth makes it look just as indulgent. You can pipe it out with a star-tip nozzle like I've shown here in any pattern you like, or simply spread it directly on your cake. Or you could even use it as a decadent center filling for sandwich cookies, and you'll have an amazing, irresistible treat for your little ones too. I hope you get to try this recipe. Let me know how it turns out in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.